given that we know a lot right now about what happens when we ignore science and the scientists, see the example of the climate change, maybe it's around the time to really listen to them. I mean, we should listen actually to everyone who has knowledge and experience with the topics that could be then really very relevant to our lives as well. And I believe climate change is absolutely relevant to everyone. I still remember being a kid and going to school in the high boots and through the snow that was very high. Right now there is no snow in my city in the winter when I'm coming back and visiting. That's the climate change. That's the visible example of the climate change. So we know from climate science that the development of climate change was basically caused by the very rapid development of the economies and the way how we actually constructed the economies for profit, for scalability, for anything but nature. And one thing that really strikes me here is that it's not that we have been disconnected from nature for the whole humanity or the whole history of the humanity. That's not true. We actually have been connected to nature in the past very much. The disconnect between nature and human beings actually started very late, just in the 17th century, I believe, by or thanks to one French philosopher, Descartes, who said that the human being is actually the god in a way, and anything else is underneath the human being, and that's where our troubles really started.